Safe drinking water is essential for our health. Purify your tap, well, or rainwater with Nazava Water Filters. All Nazava products are equipped with the Nazava ceramic filter using 3 steps of purification. The first step is a ceramic membrane. It filters out bacteria and suspended particles such as iron. In the second step, nano silver kills bacteria. In the third step, high-quality activated carbon effectively reduces taste, odor, and chemicals like chlorine. The purified water is stored in the lower container, providing your family with a free flow of clean, safe drinking water. Nazava Water Filters have been tested in laboratories around the world and by leading global health organizations. Their products have received many prestigious international awards and are sold worldwide. With Nazava, you get safer drinking water at lower costs. For a healthy family,